faced incredible odds and unbeatable enemies to earn the name hero. But now there's a new way to spell action. Jim Carrey is Ace Ventura, Pet Detective. He's the best there is.
Excuse me, gentlemen. Pet Detective.
Actually, he's the only one there is.
You really love animals, don't you?
If it gets cold enough.
Now, the mascot of the Miami Dolphins has been kidnapped.
Oh, righty then.
And he's on the case of a lifetime.
Listen, Pet Dick, how would you like me to make your life a living hell?
Well, I'm not really ready for a relationship, Lois.
There's no place he won't go.
Captain's log, starting 23.9.
Ace, get out of the tank.
I just can't do it, Captain. I don't have the power.
Nothing he won't do. And no one he can't handle.
Hey! I could do anything to embarrass me in front of camp.
What? Like this?
Hi, Captain Stubing.
Because when this pet detective gets the scent,
Where's Dan Marino?
Hi, I'm Dan Marino.
Reno, why?
Because he's about to join Snowflake.
he'll follow it anywhere.
Here's Snowflake.
Jim Carrey is
Do not go in there.
Ace Ventura, Pet Detective.
Yes, yes, yes.
Salutations, Spike. Just hang in there, Boss Monkey Man. The fate of an American Eagle family depends on you. Don't be scared. Ace is in the place. Alrighty then. That's right. I'm a pet detective.
He doesn't even have a gun.
Hi.
See the man walking down the street. He dances to a different beat. He'll make you wanna scream. He'll make you wanna shout. You know he's gonna get you if you don't watch out.
Mess with me, and you mess with the jungle.
Watch out! Hey! Oh!
Magic has to be believed. That's the only way it's real.
A little girl with a big imagination lived in the faraway forests of India, in a world filled with magic and her father's boundless love.
You can be anything you want to be, my love, as long as you believe.
What do you believe?
That you are and always will be my little princess.
When he was sent away,
Goodbye, princess.
Girls, say hello to our new arrival, Miss Sarah Crew.
Hello, Sarah.
her belief in magic came to life.
Come on, Becky. Just make believe it. Remember the magic?
She would make some very special friends.
Can you really talk to him, Sarah? Say hello to all my friends. There were days I thought I would die until I heard you talk about the magic.
And one very powerful enemy.
I'm afraid jewelry and such finery are not allowed.
Dear Papa, I love you with all of my heart and can't wait for the day when you come back to me.
Everything you own now belongs to me. You're not a princess any longer.
From the author of The Secret Garden comes the classic that has thrilled generations, A Little Princess.
Don't tell me you still fancy yourself a princess.
I am a princess. All girls are. Even if they aren't pretty or smart, they're still princesses.
It is the adventure of a young girl whose courage is as big as her heart.
I'll come back for you. I promise.
A magical motion picture for anyone who has ever made a wish or had a dream. A Little Princess. No miracle is ever too small.
rides, new attractions, and a new hotel, you'll have an even more magical time at Alton Towers.
Now you can see Ace Ventura live only at the Disney Studios. Just part of all the fun of a Walt Disney World holiday in Florida.